Hello, good morning, children. This is the 7th standard GK. Now we have to learn the first lesson, the first page number 4. The first one is read the clues about some common trees, write their names, choose from the box. In box, what are all the words given? See here: Ashoka, tamarind, coconut, peepal, neem, gulmohar, eucalyptus. These clues are all given here. First of all, you have to read the clue. First one, first point, what it is given. This tree grows widely in India. The tree is often called the village pharmacy as its leaves, flowers, seeds and bark are used to cure a number of diseases. Village pharmacy. Do you know what is pharmacy? Where we are getting medicines, isn't it? Here village pharmacy means we can get medicines from these trees, from this tree. The parts of the tree, that is leaves, flowers, seeds and barks are used as a medicine. In which tree? We have to check from the clue. Neem. So the answer is neem. Second one, this tree is native to Africa. The fruit of this tree yields a soft brownish pulp which is sweet and sour in taste. The picture is also given. Which is sweet and sour in taste. Usually in day-to-day life, your mother prepare for our gravies, isn't it? This is a native of Africa. Name of the tree is tamarind. Third point, this is a state tree of Kerala. The tree has a slender ringed trunk which is topped by a crown of big feather-like leaves. Its fruit contains sweet milky white water which makes for a refreshing drink. Here the answer is coconut. The tree is also given here as a clue. This is a coconut tree. The leaves are shown as a crown of big feather like, isn't it? The water inside the nut is milky white, isn't it? It's sweet, it's tasty. The fourth point, this tree is also called the flame tree because it bears bright red flowers. See these flowers, you would have seen in so many places. The name of the flower is gulmohar. Fifth one, this tree is abundantly mentioned in Indian mythology. Its bright orange-yellow flower blooms in spring before turning red and then wilting in early summer. Indian mythology. Do you know what is mythology? Mythology means the stories of Ramayana, Mahabharata, like that. These are all the mythology. In mythological stories, these orange-yellow flowers has been mentioned. The answer is Ashoka. And then sixth one, this tall tree has leathery, rubbery leaves that hang vertically. The leaves contain oil which is used in medicines and cosmetics. Tall tree, rubbery leaves hanging vertically. The leaves contain oil. This oil is very useful to cure the headache, sinus, cold. Okay, so by using this clue we can write the answer as eucalyptus. Seventh one, this large deciduous tree is also known as the Bodhi tree. This tree has many medicinal properties and also has religious importance. The answer is peepal. Okay, now you would have written, isn't it, in your GK textbook. Now you have to take the page number 5. In page number 5, plant predators. Some plants cannot survive on water, air and sunlight alone. They grow in places where the soil is deficient in nutrition and hence require nutrition from other sources. They trap and eat insects and sometimes even rodents. They are the predators of the floral world. Here, read the descriptions and write the names of the carnivorous plants. Do you know what is herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, etc.? Herbivores means the that is vegetative, that is plant eating animal, and then carnivores means flesh eating animals, and then omnivores means they can take both. Here plants we have carnivores. Some plants we have carnivores. See the first point. This plant's scent attracts insects which fall into the urn-shaped leaves that are covered with a flap. The plant then secretes enzymes to digest its prey. One variety discovered recently in the Philippines traps rats and other rodents. That is a pitcher plant. Here see the flap. If any insects or any rodent enter inside this cup-shaped place, the flap will close and then it digests. The second one, this plant also called Drosera has more than 194 species and is found in every continent. It secretes 6 sticky substances on its tentacles to trap insects. The answer is sundew. Third one, the leaves of this plant have a sweet smelling sap and sensitive hairs. The lobes of the leaves shut, trapping the insects that sit on it. The answer is Venus flytrap. See the plant? See how the shape is the bright red in color. At the edges we have small sensitive hair-like structures. These lobes, if any insect get inside, the lobes will close. Okay. Then next point, the fourth one. This aquatic rootless plant has free floating stems. The plant has traps arranged in whorls which look like wheels. The traps shut as soon as the prey is inside them. The answer is water wheel. Officially called Bibles, its common name derives from its attractive multicolored appearance in sunlight. The glandular hairs on its leaves are sticky and trap insects. The name of the plant is rainbow plant. Here the next point, this plant grows in wet environments. Its underground leaves have slender tubes swollen in the middle to form traps which are used to catch minute prey. The answer is corkscrew. The seventh point, also called Utricularia. This is a freshwater and terrestrial plant. It has small, hollow, bladder-like sacs to catch small prey like insects, larvae, fleas, and tadpoles. The answer is bladderwurst. Now, children, this is the 2 pages I have completed for you. You have to write and then see the page number 6 is homework for you. You have to read and find out which is the arboreal bird, which is the water bird, which is the land bird. This is the general knowledge. So, you have to find out the answer and then this 1 page you have to do as a homework. Okay, in next class, if I tell the answer, you can refer. Otherwise, in book, the last page you have the answer for the reference. After writing by yourself, you check with the answers whether you have written correctly or not. Okay, then in next class, I will continue with this page number 7. This is a crossword. If I do one, other crosswords and all you can do by yourself. Okay children, thank you.